Motherhood, a transformative journey that comes with its challenges and rewards, has long been a subject of fascination and study. Recent research endeavors have shed new light on the happiness that mothers often experience, challenging the notion that parenting necessarily diminishes one's overall well-being. Let's explore the findings of 3 compelling studies that suggest women find profound happiness in the role of motherhood. In 2009, economists Stevenson and Wolfers published a groundbreaking study titled The Paradox of Declining Female Happiness. Contrary to the prevailing belief, their research revealed that while women without children reported higher overall life satisfaction, mothers experienced more frequent positive emotions and fewer negative emotions in their daily lives. The study emphasized the emotional richness that comes with parenting, indicating that the ups and downs of motherhood contribute significantly to a woman's happiness. A 2014 study by Nelson, Kushlev, and Lyubomirsky delved deeper into the emotional landscape of parents. Titled Mothers Are Happier Than Fathers, the study highlighted that mothers, in particular, reported greater happiness and life satisfaction compared to fathers. The research suggested that the unique emotional rewards associated with parenting, such as the deep bond between mother and child, contribute substantially to a mother's overall sense of fulfillment and happiness. Another study, conducted by Nelson, Geer, and Huffcutt in 2009, explored the connection between parents' well-being and their children's social lives. The research found that parents, especially mothers, experienced increased life satisfaction when their adolescent children had active social lives. This indicates that mothers find happiness not only in their own experiences of motherhood but also in witnessing the positive social connections and well-being of their children. These studies challenge the assumption that motherhood is a source of unhappiness for women. Instead, they paint a nuanced picture, highlighting the unique emotional rewards and fulfillment that come with raising children. While parenting undoubtedly comes with its share of challenges, the joy and positive emotions that mothers experience daily contribute significantly to their overall happiness. It is a reminder that the complexities of happiness cannot be measured solely by life satisfaction surveys. The intricate tapestry of emotions that accompany motherhood adds immeasurable depth to a woman's life. As we continue to explore the multifaceted nature of happiness, it is essential to recognize and celebrate the happiness that many women find in the journey of motherhood. It is a testament to the resilience, love, and joy that parenting can bring, offering a glimpse into the profound happiness that women often discover in the midst of their motherly roles. Sources: Stevenson, B. and Wolfers, J. 2009. The Paradox of Declining Female Happiness. Nelson, S. K., Kushlev, K., and Lyubomirsky, S. 2014. Mothers Are Happier Than Fathers. Nelson, S. K., Geer, G., and Huffcutt, A. I. 2009. Parents' well-being rises with adolescent intensity of children's social life.